Welcome to the second part of Create Studio Lifetime Deal Review. If you have not yet watched the first part, I would advise you to watch that. Then only you will know where we are at now. In this video, we will be exploring more features like how we can make a character walk, how to do 3D animation, then setting up camera angles, how you can edit your own YouTube call to actions, things like that. So let's not waste any time. So let's get into the video. I just really like how it's all designed. The quality is really on another level. And if you want, we can add our logo here. If you want anything, you just click on this download button and it will download it to your local system. Then you can just drag and drop it in the timeline or in the canvas. Once you have this, you can just change your logo here. Just double click it. And once you see this, you can come here and replace it with your logo. If I have already saved my logo in the global settings, and as you can see, um, once I go back and now if I play it again, see, it's that easy to change the logo. And yeah, you have all these templates. These are all free. As you can see, a lot of templates are available. You have these scenes, and yeah, the best thing is you have all these YouTube subscribe icon and things like that, which you can customize it to your needs. So it has got lot of options for any channel that you can think of, and you can customize all of this as well, like this. And once that's finished, you can play it like that. So that way you can do a lot of things with this. Because if I start doing everything, we will run out of time. That's why. Uh, See, we even have our call to action for YouTube, as you can see. I can just come here and double click on it and just replace this image with my logo. And yeah, I have just removed that just like that. Now, if I want to edit the text, I can just click here and come back and again double click on it. And as you can see, I can say like soft now. As you can see, if I just customized it, and even the sound, all the effects are all pre-built. And when I want, I can just export it as a movie, as a transparent file, and just so I need to save it first in order to actually. Now, as you can see, it's getting saved. I have saved it as a transparent file. If I just open the folder, now I have the video here. Now, what I can do is that open my video editor. For example, I can open Camtasia here, and I can just drag that video right here. Can just, as you can see, that element is now right here. That's how easy and fast that you can create like alpha channel or transparent video. You don't even have to do like background removal or green screen removal for this. And you can also simultaneously add videos to your queue. So it works. So you can continue working with the software and it will queue it for processing one after the other. So that's also an advantage of this software. As you can see, we have all these templates. Now I'll just show you another thing. For example, if I go here and let me just drop this in, we first need to download this. So I'm just dropping this here. You can search from Pexels, Pixabay, and Giphy, Cover, and also SVG API. So a lot of options here. You can even change the text. Let me just show that soft. The 3D characters, as you can see, they have a lot of customization options. Only these characters can be lip synced, and also we can change the appearance. First, I can add like a background. Let me just look for an office space. Let this be our background first. Okay, now we have our background, and now what we can do is add a character. It can be 3D character or this normal character. These normal characters, we cannot really customize it. That means we cannot add our logo or change their appearance. For that, we need to use this. And even for lip syncing, only 3D characters can be lip synced. And just to let you guys know, that's how it works here. So we have a lot of options here. So I have this Jack already downloaded. I can just drag and drop him here. As you can see, now I can make him check his phone. If I just play it here, you can see that. See, he's now looking at his phone. If I want him to point to this board, then I can do that as well. See, we can do that. And if I don't want that, I can just click here. I can make him point to that screen, pointing. So if I just click here, I can change his hand movement like that. So he's pointing to the screen. If I can make him a bit better, that will be like that. So what else can I do? I can even add a video here onto this board. For that, I can just go to the media and search for a video here. Let You can just download this video. So as you can see, the video is available on our media files. As you can see. So if I drop it here, the video is on top. And if I can just into position, I can make it like this. So I can even distort it. So that means if I want the edge to be precisely like this, I can do that as well. That's why I told you guys that this is a very powerful software. So if you have like a computer screen or some curved edge, then you can perfectly fit it in that area, whatever video that you have. And yeah, now that's there. I can just make him point. So I just need to keep him above that. He is pointing to that screen. What if I want to make him walk, right? If that is also possible, you can add keyframes here. So what I will do is like I just click on this and add like a new walking action. As you can see, I'll be adding this walking action. That will be our first action. Then he'll point, then he'll walk back. So in order to do that, first we need to add like an animation. So just right click and click on add animation. Then select this position animation. That will add two keyframes here. And let's just disable the starting animation. Let's make him go here. Now we want him to be in the center, right? He can be here. So I'll just drag this and he can be here and he'll turn right here. So I can add the keyframe here. So if I just play, he's a bit fast, right? So what I can do is I can make his motion bit linear. We can use the easing here and select linear both in and out. That will make him like look more natural. See, now he's pointing to our board. Then we can add another walking action like this. And he's turning here. And we can add another animation. Just click on linear and select the position. And we can make him walk. Just drag this. Distance between the keyframe is responsible for how fast the actual transition is before he turns. I can point this here and I can just put him here. Yeah. So if I just play this again, so you can see he will come here, then point it there, then he will start walking back. That's how easy it is. As you can see, if you click here, you can see we have a lot of options here. Make him dance. Let's see how he's going to dance. See, we have a high five. It's just loading. No, yeah, we can do that. It's really powerful. Yeah, I am just scratching the surface here. As you can see, we have all these options. We can go like crazy with all these blend modes as well. So if I just see, we can even blend him with it for different effects. And we can have shadows. Let me just make it as right there. Then we can adjust the shadows. See, we can even blur that. There is a lot of options that you can do here. If you are creative, then you can do amazing things with this software. And if you want to add camera angles, oh, that's, I forgot, that's a really great options. So there are like lot of effects that you can add here. You can add glitch effect. So if I paste it here, see, now we have the glitch effect here. And so I'll remove that glitch effect. So if you don't want that effect, you can just come here and remove it altogether. Now we don't have that effect anymore. And we have a lot of options just like this. We can improve the sharpness. We can use color fill. You can remove a specific color if you want. You can replace color edge feathers. So the best other options are you can visualize the audio. You can add a progress bar just like this. See, you can add the progress bar. You can change the radius. You can change the color to anything that you want. You can make it round. See, there are a lot of effects that's connected with this as well. Now I will show you how you can use the camera in Create Studio. For that, all you need to do is click here on the effects and components. And when you click on the component, you can see a camera icon here. Just drag and drop it to your canvas like this. And you will see now there is a camera icon here. That means the camera is now added. It's very easy to use camera. I will show you. For that, suppose I want to zoom into his face first. Then when he points to the board, I have to like zoom into this board. And after that, I have to come back to the original position. And that's what we are going to do right now. For that, when he waves in, let's just zoom into his face. For that, just right click and click on add animation. Then you can see the camera. This is the in and out point. So we just need to zoom into his face, right? So we need to keep this pointer here. And now we need to zoom into his face. For that, you just need to do it like this, clicking in the on the corner and focusing it to where you want the camera to go in at that specific point in time. Now I want to focus in on his face, and after that, when he points back to the board, I want the camera to move to the board. So I have the pointer right here right now. I just need to add another camera here. Then don't do anything in this side because that will mess up our first camera position. Then what you need to do is move your pointer here uh, to add the next camera motion. So just uh, focus it here like this and just expand so that we can get the full view of the board right now. And now I want to zoom back in, like I want to revert back to the original position. For that, I can just add another camera here, and I can just keep it short. And now I have to come to this point at the end and just revert it back. I can just zoom it back just like this. So if you go out of the canvas, sometimes it will show this red color. That means our camera is out. So yeah, now we have the full frame just like this. So if I just play it again, then you will see the movement. So I'll just play it. See, you can adjust the speed by increasing the length of this camera. That if you increase it like this, then it will slow down the camera movement. So just want to show you that as well. So as you can see now it's slow. That means the more, if that camera is longer, that means it will take more time for the animation to kick in. So that's how easy it is to use camera. So these are some of the options that you can use to create really engaging videos. All these video are really high quality. It's on another level, all these videos. As you can see, everything with the crown means you cannot use that. If you are not happy with this, for example, if you go to the music, And if you want speech, if you are not happy with the sound quality, you can always go to some website like 11 Labs, do the create sound for your character from there and export it here and do lip sync. You cannot do that with this character, but you can always do that with the 3D characters as well. There are a lot of options as well. So it will take a lot of time if I go through this. As you see, this is very powerful. If you want, so you cannot, let me just show you how. So you won't be able to generate speech because you need credits for this, for the to use the inbuilt voice, and for that you will have to buy the credits. But if you are on the all access pass, you don't need this. It is I think it's unlimited that you can use this feature. And if you want to record your voice, you can record this as well, but these characters won't lip sync your voice, so keep that in mind as well. And you can also add a transition between different scenes. So if I just create like a duplicate of this, first need to download this. So yeah, so if I play here, you can see that transition is getting added here, and you can also add end transition. That's the beginning and the end transition. As you can see the end transition as well. So that's how you add transition. You can add all these transition. These are all visual, so you will know what you are getting even before you apply it. So that's the best part of the software that I like. And when you go to the settings, you can play with the settings as well. You can add typewriter kind of text. You can add a text box here. You can just type in text. You can change the colors. A lot of options. Everything looks really neat and clean and well organized. You can add like spots here. You can control that as well. If you want to give it motion, you can just see give it a motion by just clicking on that button. You are adding motion. See, that's so you can do a lot more here. I'm just showing you what all effects are available here. You can just type in like a random text. See, you can, yeah, you can do that as well. Let's say welcome. So if I play that, it will be like that. We have different subscribe button. So you can see we have subscribe buttons that we can change the color. You have all these backgrounds that you can use. Buttons. Have all these different kind of transitions. If you are a YouTuber, you will definitely love this.
Yeah!
If you want to add lower thirds, you can do that with all these text effects. All you have to do is just click on download and add it. So you can see you have that beautiful text here, very professionally designed animation and text effects. And if you want special effects like particles, you can add that here. Let's look at scroll stoppers here. If I just click on here, I can sort by square type of videos. Then just And we just change the orientation to square. Look at the quality of that video, right? It is really great. So yeah, you can change the image there. You can change the text. Have a lot of options. Can always sort different templates for scenes using this. So some are only available for paid subscription. You just see whether free is available on any other aspect ratios. Sometimes these scroll stoppers are not available in 16:9 aspect ratio, but we can get it for square and vertical type of videos, specifically for Facebook ads and other TikTok ads. Now, if you want to do like a doodle effect, for that you can do come to the effects and just drag this doodle effect here. As you can see, you can now add that effect just like that. And we can also click here and just click on this, and you can also edit the path. And yeah, we can make it automatic. You can show your hand, show hands on top, and can control the shake percentage, can change different hands here. So as you can see, it's drawing my character. So that's how you use Doodle. You can further customize it according to your needs. Yeah, those are some of the functionalities that I wanted to quickly show you guys. If I go into each and every features, then it will take like 2 or 3 hours of video. I hope at least you got a feel of what this can actually do for you. There are like other videos like AI features that you can use generate images, remove text from image, background removal. You can upscale your image, can remove objects from image, can create voiceovers using I think this is 11 Labs voice. So yeah, you have plenty of AI options, but why I'm not covering that is because we need credits for it. Maybe I'll do like another video that covers all the AI features. Let me know if you are interested for that. I'll also have the lifetime deal link in the description if you want to check that out as well. I hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more future videos. Again, thank you for watching. Have a great day.